So Anthropic just did a deal with SpaceX and doubled Claude's usage limits. Peak hour throttling is gone. API rate limits have gone up massively. So yeah, your Claude session will finally last longer than this video. Let me break down what actually changed. 3 things, all live right now. 1. Claude Code's 5-hour rate limits have been doubled. Pro, Max, Team, Enterprise, all of them. Whatever you were getting before, it's now 2x. 2. Peak hour throttling is gone. Anthropic had it set up so that during busy hours, your limits would burn through faster. 3. API rate limits for Opus models have gone up massively. Tier 1 input tokens went from 30,000 per minute to 500,000. Highest tier went from 2 million to 10 million. Output side, 8,000 per minute became 80,000. If you're running anything on the API, agents, automations, production workloads, completely different situation now. Why it was so bad? You already know this because you've lived through it. Last few months with Claude have been rough. Sessions dying mid-task. Outages during working hours. At one point, they were seriously considering pulling Claude Code from the Pro plan entirely. You'd have had to upgrade to Max just to use it. The model was never the problem. Claude's output quality has been solid. What was happening was Anthropic didn't have enough compute to serve the demand. Too many people, not enough infrastructure. So you were paying full price for a throttled experience. The SpaceX deal. So that's where this deal comes in. Anthropic signed an agreement with SpaceX to use all of the compute at their Colossus 1 data center in Memphis. That's over 220,000 NVIDIA GPUs. 300 megawatts of compute capacity, coming online within a month. Anthropic has also signed up to 5 gigawatts with Amazon, 5 gigawatts with Google and Broadcom, 30 billion in Azure capacity with Microsoft and NVIDIA, and a 50 billion investment in AI infrastructure with FluidStack. They're not patching a problem. They're building for years ahead. Oh, and both companies have said they're interested in developing orbital AI compute, GPUs in space. So there's that. That's it. Limits doubled, throttling gone, all live right now. Subscribe if you want more of these. See you in the next one.